AI Paragraph Rewriter. AI is a game changer that just hit the market. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about it. This tool promises to transform how you rewrite and optimize paragraphs. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or just someone looking to get the most out of their writing. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share where you can try this AI for free. First off, let's talk about the core function. The AI Paragraph Rewriter is designed to help you rephrase, reword, and improve paragraphs in a matter of seconds. No more spending hours tweaking sentences to get the tone just right. With just a click, it gives you multiple variations of any text, so you can select the one that fits your needs. What sets this software apart from others is its incredible accuracy. Unlike older tools that just shuffle words around, this one understands context and meaning. The AI doesn't just replace synonyms, it can adapt the structure, style, and tone of your paragraph, ensuring that your rewritten content feels fresh and engaging while maintaining the original meaning. Another impressive feature is the ability to rewrite paragraphs at different complexity levels. Whether you're aiming for a more professional tone or a casual, friendly style, this AI can adjust the text to match your desired voice, making it perfect for everything from business blogs to social media posts. Now, you might be wondering about the speed. This AI Paragraph Rewriter is lightning fast. It's not just a tool for large-scale content creators, but also for anyone who needs a quick solution. Imagine rewriting dozens of paragraphs in minutes, especially when you're facing tight deadlines. It's a huge productivity boost, and that's a major benefit for marketers and writers alike. Something else to keep in mind is that the software is highly customizable. It learns from your previous choices, so the more you use it, the better it gets at matching your writing style. This makes it a long-term investment for anyone who wants to maintain consistency across their content without having to manually edit each piece. If you're worried about plagiarism, rest assured. The AI Paragraph Rewriter ensures that the output is 100% unique. It helps you avoid common content issues like duplicate material, which is crucial for maintaining SEO rankings and building your credibility as a writer. The software also integrates with other tools, which is great for anyone who uses content management systems or writing platforms. With this integration, you can directly push rewritten paragraphs into your workflow, saving you even more time. Finally, the best part, you can try it out for free. I've dropped a link in the description so you can test it without any strings attached. After using this software, I've been able to boost my content output, and I'm confident it can do the same for you. If you're in the market for AI tools that make your writing easier, check out the recommended AI softwares in the description below. I've tested thousands, and these are the ones I trust. Don't forget to grab your free trial and see just how much AI Paragraph Rewriter can change the way you write.